Hello learners. Today in our marketing institutions and corporation GE 210 course we will be discussing about Cotton Corporation of India. It is one of the most important what you call marketing institution. Okay, so you can see the logo of CCI. Cotton Corporation of India, like it acts as a friend to the cotton farmers and a dependable supplier of cotton to the textile industry. Okay, the CCI, that is Cotton Corporation of India, was established on the year 31st July of 1970 under the administrative control of Ministry of Textile. Okay, and this is a government undertaking institution, like that is Government of India as a public sector undertaking under the Companies Act of 1956. So this is registered with the Companies Act and the Companies Act of 1956, and it established, the CCI was established in July 1970. Okay, and the headquarters is in New Mumbai and the chairman is Pradeep Kumar Agarwal. Okay, so the as we have discussed, it comes under the Ministry of Commerce of India, and it came into existence or established in the year 1970 July, and it is registered under the Companies Act of 1956. So it was like the CCI was set up upon the recommendation of APC, that is Agricultural Price Commission of 1965. The corporation enters in the domestic market, like this was the CCI. How does it work in the earlier period? The corporation enters in the domestic market, that is in the national and state level markets, and it started from 1971. It started entering into the domestic market, and then now it is responsible for the price support operations of raw cotton in all states except Maharashtra. Okay, and in Maharashtra the control is done by Maharashtra State Cooperative Cotton Growers Marketing Federation Limited. In other all the states, CCI is the looking into all these things, like price support operations and procurement of cotton. Everything is done by CCI in all other state except Maharashtra. And Maharashtra, it is done by the Maharashtra State Cooperative Cotton Growers Marketing Federation. And the CCI was organized for handling import purchase of domestic cotton, so that it can safeguard the interest of the growers. And the corporation is having a pan India presence, that is 19 working branches around the India, around the country, and 350 cotton procurement centers in the major growing states. Okay, so you may have understood like what is the structure of like about the cotton industry in India, that is there are 19 branches for the CCI, and there are around 350 cotton procurement centers in India. The initial period of setting up of the CCI was like as the only public sector undertaking in the field of marketing of cotton, but now there are others also. The CCI played a role of canalizing the agency for import of cotton and purchase of raw cotton, for giving necessary price support to enterprising cultivators, and also for procuring raw cotton for the textile mills. So initially what the CCI was the only institution which were to undertake the activities of cotton, and the major roles performed by CCI is import, like they act as an importing agency for the cotton, at the same time purchase of raw cotton, and their price fixation or price support, giving price support for the enterprises, small industries, small cotton or textile industries or textile mills. The role and functions. The role and function of CCI continued to enlarge with the changing cotton scenario in the country. Now, the major role of CCI is to undertake price support operations. So, the first and foremost important role, objective, function of CCI is price support operations. Whenever the market prices of kapas, that is raw cotton, falls below the minimum support price, there is MSP fixed by the government for cotton also. So if the price falls below the MSP, then CCA have to take part in price support. They have to bring up with price support operations. They have to do certain different operations to support the farmers by stabilizing the price. Besides MSP operation, MSP is minimal support price operation, to fulfill the raw material requirement of domestic textile industry, particularly for a lean season, that is the season in which the cotton is not available. The CC undertake commercial purchase of these cottons. Okay, so what all things is done by CC? The major role is price support operations, and MSP operation is also there. And if there is a lean season, a season in which we don't have a good amount of cotton available, then the purchase import of the cotton have to be taken place. Also, with the view to safeguard the economic interest of cotton farmers in all cotton growing regions, and also to ensure smooth supply of good quality cotton to the textile industry in India. And the corporation is having a pan India presence, we have discussed, that is 19 branches and 350 or 400 plus procurement centers. So you can see in the northern zone Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan are the growers, in the central zone Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, and in the southern zone Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay, now we'll see what are the major objectives. The objective is to support price support operations. Next is like procurement of the raw material for the domestic textile industry, and also to ensure smooth supply of good quality of cotton to the textile industry. Okay, now the functions, we have already discussed the major functions. Now the functions you have to, other functions are purchase, sales and otherwise disposal of the deals, okay, of the raw cotton which are imported from the outside of the country, that have to be done. Next, to purchase cotton grown in India, and to sales or otherwise dispose of the deal in such cotton. Implement such special arrangements for the import or internal trade. Organize and undertake purchase, sales and transportation of cotton. So all these activities, the purchase, sales and transportation activities, the distribution have to be undertaken. And the natural and man-made fibers, or like here, to organize and undertake purchase, sales and transport of natural and man-made fibers, or fibers of any kind, which including and limited duties have to be looked into. And also the export and import of cotton. Now about the structure of this CCA, or CCA means the Cotton Corporation of India structure. What is the body, like how is the committee, or what is the structure of the organization? The corporation is wholly owned by the Government of India, since it is registered under the Companies Act of 1956, and the functions are keenly administered by the Ministry of Commerce and Ministry of Textiles. Okay, and the number of members or directors in the board of CCA is, the corporation is, the maximum there will be 12 and a minimum of 4 members, and there will be a compulsory civil vigilance officer will be also in that body. So this is all about Cotton Corporation of India. I hope the concept is clear to you all. So go through the lectures and understand. If you feel any difficulty, get back to me. Thank you.